In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Sendpulse with Pipedrive. This integration will streamline your marketing efforts and help you keep better track of your customer interactions. Connecting these two powerful tools can elevate your sales process significantly. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. If you aren't already familiar, Pipedrive is a sales CRM and pipeline management software designed to help you manage your sales process with efficiency. Once you're there, locate the Login option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to sign into your Pipedrive account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the necessary permissions for adjusting settings and installing applications. Once logged in, head to the Pipedrive home by clicking on the home icon or logo, usually situated at the upper menu of the interface. This should take you to your dashboard, where you can see an overview of all your pipelines, deals, contacts, and more. Next, you'll want to access the settings for contact synchronization. To do this, look for the three-dot icon often found next to your profile picture or in the navigation menu, depending on your account layout. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, select Marketplace to proceed. The Marketplace is the hub for all third-party applications that can be integrated with Pipedrive. Once you're inside the Marketplace, you'll need to make use of the search functionality. Here, type in Sendpulse in the search bar and hit Enter. This search should bring up the Sendpulse app among other results. Click on the Sendpulse listing in the search results to open its page within the Marketplace. The Sendpulse app will typically provide an overview of what the integration can do, such as synchronizing your contact data between Sendpulse and Pipedrive seamlessly. All emails, templates, and contacts can be managed in sync with Pipedrive once you complete this process. Follow the instructions on the app's page to install and authenticate Sendpulse with your existing Pipedrive account. This often involves confirming permissions and possibly entering a key or other identifiers. Always ensure your data is secure and only proceed with integrations from trusted sources. And there you have it. By integrating Sendpulse with Pipedrive, you've now created a more cohesive and efficient workflow between your CRM and your marketing tools. You can now harness the capabilities of both platforms seamlessly to foster better customer relationships and drive sales forward. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, both Pipedrive and Sendpulse offer comprehensive support resources to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in improving your sales and marketing integration efforts.